video, we'll be looking at how to perform some mathematical operation, make use of pandas. These are basically simple. Since pandas tend to structure everything, make sure that before you can display a panda data frame, all the rows must be exactly the same. If this is 20 rows, this must 20 rows. So what we are going to do, we can make use of this of our data set that we make use of, but I want to create a new fresh data set. So I'm just going to comment this out. I'm going to go down here. Let me create a new pandas data frame. So I can do create a data frame. Then I'm going to do what I can say our pandas data frame. If you have been following this series, all these things shouldn't be hard for you to understand. So I'm going to create what I'm going to say, maybe to say what var1 going to be var1 value, which stands for value 1. So I'm going to give it a values. I'm going to say 1, maybe 3, 5, 7, 8. I can say 3. Okay, let me just do that of 67 plus maybe 45. So I'm going to create basically two this thing. I'm going to basically create two. Let me copy this and put another one. Let me just copy this. I'm going to name it val2. So I'm just going to paste it here. Let me try aligning both of them. This is not the best. It's just a good idea when you create the data outside and then we can move it inside of this of our pandas. This is not the best way to do that. So I'm going to do, but since this is tutorial, I just put it to be this val2. So I'm going to set it somewhere around 18, maybe somewhere around 23, maybe somewhere around, I can set it to 56, maybe somewhere around 70, maybe 57. Maybe I can set somewhere around 6, and then let me leave this as 5. So these two columns that we created, we are going to make use of them to perform some mathematical operations. So since they are both the same thing, let me print our data frame for us to see what we currently have. So I'll do print our data frame. Let me run this. Let me scroll down. You can see these are the two values, the two columns, which are the column var1, and for that of the second column var2. These are the values. So the first one we're going to begin with is that of the addition. I can say sum. So we're going to create a new variable that's a new column that's going to hold for that of the sum of these two guys. So I can come here and say what our data frame, which is going to be that of the var1. Going to be var1. Let me just print. Let me close all these things so I don't need to be giving space all the time. Remember, the columns must be the same, and the second one is what we're just going to set what here is going to be what var2. Just simple as that. Since they are of the same rule, that's if we're trying to add 1 plus 18, 3 plus 23, 5 plus 56, 7 plus 70. Let's run it and see. It's going to create a new column here, which is going to be our sum. So let me drag this up. As we can see here, 1 plus 18 is equals to 19, 3 plus 23 is 26, 5 plus this, you can see for 5 plus 5 is equal to 50. This was really useful because of the way pandas data frame actually works, because like I said, since the row is the same, you can try to sum it the same. So we can do for that of -2. Let's do for that of minus. Then we are going to do for that of plus, division, multiplication, a whole lot of the other. This is what we have. Let me drag this up. So we have the right here 1 minus 18, we know is minus 17. This is this. Sorry, this is supposed to be minus, but you get the idea. This 3 minus 23 is minus 20. Here is 45 minus 5 is actually 40. So you can also do for that of multiplication. This is for multiplication, this is for division, and this is for done for plus and minus. So you can also do for this of the percentile, which is for module. I can also do for that of plus division. You can do a whole lot of them since the rules are the same. So that's what basically I want us to look at, is how to do some basic mathematical operation that is of pandas. I don't think this was anywhere hard for us to understand. So I think with this we are going to draw the curtain for this video. If you find this video helpful, subscribing will going to be in progress. So I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you.